So I really think that at the end of the day, it starts at the beginning. ProVia is a family-owned business, and the founder of our company was all about wanting to give a value for what somebody needed. At the end of the day, it wasn't about making product. It was simply, they're going to buy a product, so we want to give them more than what they're just somebody else. We want to give them so much more. And ProVia is in the largest area of Amish and Mennonite combined in the country. So in Holmes County, Ohio, you've got a lot of Amish and Mennonite folks. You've got people hand staining our product. On the other side of the coin, you've got some of the most state-of-the-art equipment that you've ever seen. And so it's really about the people and the heart of ProVia and the fact that we know somebody's going to buy a product, but we want to give them something where they really feel like they're getting a value. We want to exceed their expectations, not just simply do a transaction and meet their expectations.